Bam. All right, now let's open up another 10. Come on, baby. Come on, rock with me, 2K. Rock with me. One time. One time. Come on, show me real. Nigga, show me real love, nigga. Yeah. First pack. First pack. Show me real love. Who is this? Limitless range. Point guard. Oh, this is LaMelo Ball. Welcome to the squad, LaMelo Ball. Come on, we hooping. Let's go. Nigga, my pack luck is good this year. Oh, shoot. That's cool. I'm smooth now, you know? I'm smooth. Now, if y'all want to show me some love and give me a Giannis too, oh my mama, do it. Do it. Alex Caruso, welcome to the squad. You know I already got you. Nigga, we just got a LaMelo Ball. Nigga, I'm ready to go. Nigga. We got another twerker over there. We got another twerker. Boss. We got another twerker. Come on. Come on. What's that one? What's that one? Damn, what is these? Is this like a 91? What is that? What is that? Brick wall. Bricked up center. 84 rebound. Detroit. Who is this? Bill Laimbeer. Oh my God. Hey, I said I wasn't spending too much money. No, I said I was spending money. I was spending money on 2K26. Why? Because all the comp players don't want to really play this shit no more. They ain't got nothing to play for, really. Them niggas over there at my park. Nigga, I'm hooping. I am the comp now. Nigga. Let's go. Sydney Tyler. Shit, you can sit on the bench if that's what you're trying to do. Come on. Nigga, they twerking this pack. Nigga, they twerking. That's a, what is that? What is the 91s? You got amethyst. Is it a diamond? Damn, I want another one. I want Giannis out the boom. Float game shooting guard, 88 draw foul. Who is it? Brooklyn? Who is it? Oh, hell no, get your ass on. Ain't his name Otis? Yeah. Ain't nobody came to see you, Otis. Oh, hell no. I should not be this excited for this game. Man, this motherfucker twerking. I should have put it back. Oh, is there anybody else having these same pack lucks? Oh, and there you go. There you go. I just got something. I just got something good. There you go. Please don't be WNBA. Layup mixer. Small forward. Who is this? Who's you? Who is you? Oh, Alex. Black guy named Alex. Crazy. Okay, well, I almost got excited. I thought it was another shaker. Damn. Come on, 2K. I got this shit make you want to rip one more pack, man. Ah, damn it. Okay, I get to sell him. Come on, come on. Shake for me. Do that little dance you was doing. Pause. I gotta figure out something else to say. These are guy cards, man. Gotta figure out something else to say. Oh man, is that it? I'm turning into a fiend. I'm turning to a fiend, boy. I'm gonna open up another pack. Come on, last one, Giannis. Last one, Giannis. All right. Hey, that one's shaking way different. That one is shaking differently. Oh, that one's shaking differently. Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. This is Giannis. This is Giannis Antetokounmpo. That's Giannis Antetokounmpo. Brick wall. Center. Who the fudge is this? Rockets. That Dwight. Yeah. Oh. They're gonna talk to me, guys. Damn. We open one more, right? That was a good pack opening. That was a good pack opening. Golly. Let me send all this to the auction. Send all to my auction. Yeah. Damn, Andy. What's up, bro? We open one more box. We open one more box. That was a good box opening. Damn. You know my rookie ass. I didn't even record none of that. I'm supposed to be recording that. Damn, do we do one more? These tens is nigga. This is gonna be a great year of 2K. What am I looking for? Seasons, yeah.